So find more activities. Five more activities. First one is learning your name fun way. And then you have to just like this. How my name looks off all the stickers. Then we're gonna learn color and sequence shape. Tell your parents to make chart. Ask your parents to do your sequence. See, I having both charts sequence. Third attribute is item 5, the missing number. This is the sequence that has a missing number. So, oh no, a missing number is lost. Let's just find a number. Just make sequence like this way. I'm going to make a bracelet for my mama. We have to follow this pattern. Listen to me. Pink, blue, green, pink, yellow. Okay. So we had to follow this pattern, and this is a fun way to just teach small kids. Okay. Follow sequence like this way. Ta-da! My mom's bracelet. Bracelet. For my mom. Let's recognize the coin by starting. So is 5 cents. Dime is 10 cents. And quarter is 25 cents. Half is 50 cents. Ta! Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, half.